Welcome friends. In this session we are going to see fifth program of deep learning and reinforcement learning. The statement is designing and implement a deep learning network for classification of textual documents. Let's open VTU circle. Here fifth program we required here modules TensorFlow, scikit-learn as well as NumPy. So just copy this and open command prompt. Paste the command, enter. Already the requirements are satisfied, so it is not taking time. If it is not installed in your system, it may take some time. Let it get complete. After completion, close the command prompt and just copy this code and open IDLE. Click on file, new file, just paste the code and just save it. I'm going to save in my DL and RL lab folder with the name DL5.py extension will be added automatically as this is selected as type Python files. Just click on run module. Now let's see. Here we are importing NumPy as NP, scikit-learn datasets, scikit-learn sklearn datasets, sklearn models selection, keras, TensorFlow keras. Okay, these all are we are going to import and use these functions in our program. So let's wait as it is taking some time. Okay, step 1 is loading dataset. Okay, it is done. Now step 1 is going on. Here loaded as per VTU circle documents across 20 classes. Let's see what is our. Wait for the process to complete because these deep learning programs are large, which consumes more processing data as well as processors, so it will take some time to execute. Okay, the similar documents are been loaded. Now pre-processing of the training text. Okay, here let me just zoom it. So splitting into the trained dataset is done. Fourth step, building deep learning model, and you can see here a warning. You can ignore the warning, but here user warning argument input length is deprecated. Just remove it. Then model sequential. Here our table is coming empty, so let's wait until it completes. As this warning is coming from embedding.py file on the line number 97. Let's check till the step 6, then we will edit our code. Okay, step 6, now evaluating model on test set is going on. Test accuracy for our system is 0.5398. So let's now modify our code. As here it is saying the warning, just I will make it full screen. You can see this warning from warnings module. Here user warning, and it is saying that just input length is deprecated, so just remove it. Let's see this part, that is input length in our code. See here, after fourth step we are getting the warning, so I am just checking in module. Here input length, this part we don't need, this part, so just remove this part and make sure to save it once again. Just Ctrl plus yes and then just run it. You can see this was our previous output and now it will be showing the present output. See, you can see the output here. Still it is not giving the values in the table, so let us check once again code. Okay, let's add one line here. Make sure to add this line, model dot build open parenthesis input underscore shape equal to parenthesis none comma max length. Just close this and close this and make sure to save it. Ctrl plus yes and let's see our previous result. See, still it is working. I am just going to stop this. Just press Ctrl plus C to stop it, so it will be stopping. Just closing this and now just run once again the code. You can see now the steps as well as process is working fast compared to first execution. So let's check our output with VTU circle results. You can see the table part. Now all the values in table are showing, as well as the total params and trainable params, non-trainable params similar to this. Now just wait for the training model, then with the evaluating model on the test set will be given with the test accuracy. Let's wait until it completes. Okay friends, now we are done with our execution. You can see here our accuracy is 0.5597. See here, the time taken for the VTU circle person was for first approach was 76 seconds, here 86, 92, 92, then 90, nearly 1.5, that is 1.5 minute they took for each approach. In our process, see 61 second, 64 second, 80 second, 82 second and 81 second. So our model ran more faster than it. This doesn't matter, just you need to see the execution and as well as the programming part. Stay tuned with me for further videos and make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Make bell notifications on so that whenever I upload further videos you will get notified as soon as I upload. Thank you for watching.